Hello guys, in this video we're going to cover the best Oris watches based on specifications. I included all the link in video description below. Please like, comment and subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon button to receive more amazing content like this. Number 7. Oris Holstein Edition 2022. Stainless steel bracelet with folding clasp. Oris catalog, especially when the caliber 690 looks to be a little underrepresented, considering it is such a clever and intuitive realization of a most needful complication. Self-winding Oris 690 case, 36.5mm stainless steel case, water resistance to 50 meters. Number 6. Oris Pro Pilot Excalibur 400 2022. This movement is designed to be highly accurate and energy efficient, with a power reserve of 120 hours and a non-linear power reserve indicator. The watch has a 42mm stainless steel case with a black dial, luminescent hands and markers, a date display and a sapphire crystal glass. The watch also features a multi-piece stainless steel bracelet and it is water resistant up to 100 meters. Number 5. Oris Brashear Caliber 401 Limited Edition 2021. Features: a stainless steel case with a diameter of 40mm, a black dial with a date display, luminescent hands and markers, and a sapphire crystal glass. It is powered by the Oris Caliber 401, a Swiss automatic movement with a power reserve of 120 hours. The watch also features a brown leather strap and is water resistant up to 100 meters. Number 4. Oris Boucher Blue 2021. Stainless steel screw-in security crown, water resistance 30 bar, interhorn width 24mm, dial blue, material blue, dial luminous material, indices and hand superluminal BGW9 case aqueous 43.50mm, stainless steel, material multi-paste stainless steel case, minute scale top rank size 43.50mm, top glass sapphire, domed on both sides, anti-reflective coating. Number 3. Oris Aqueous Date Relief Grey Dial Watch. It features a stainless steel case with a diameter of 43.5mm, a unidirectional rotating bezel, a screw-in crown, and a grey dial with a date display, luminescent hands and markers. The watch also features a stainless steel bracelet and is water resistant up to 300 meters. One of the unique features of this watch is the relief dial, which has been crafted to create a three-dimensional effect, giving the watch a unique look and feel. Number 2. Oris Big Crown Pointer Date 80th Anniversary Men's Watch. Movement: Swiss automatic, water resistant, depth 50 meters, item shape round, dial window material type anti-reflective sapphire, display type analog, clasp type turnbuckle, case material bronze, case diameter 40mm, case thickness 8mm, band material leather, band width 20mm, band color brown, dial color green, calendar date. Number 1. Oris Artillery Skeleton Automatic Steel and Gold Tone Watch. Stainless steel and the gold tone case with a diameter of 40 mm, a skeletonized dial that allows you to see the movement, luminescent hands and markers, and a sapphire crystal glass. The watch also features a brown leather strap and is water resistant up to 50 meters. The design of the watch is quite unique. The skeletonized dial allows you to see the inner working of the movement, which gives the watch a distinctive